U.S. rifle caliber 30 M1 is a clip-fed, gas-operated, air-cooled, semi-automatic shoulder weapon. It is often referred to as the Garand in reference to its designer. It weighs 9 pounds 8 ounces and is 43.6 inches long. The trigger pull is a minimum of 4.5 pounds. With a 30 caliber bore, it is chambered for the 30-06 cartridge and is loaded with clips of 8 rounds. The rifling has 4 grooves and a right-hand twist of 1 and 10 inches. Under normal conditions, moving ground targets may be engaged effectively at ranges up to 400 yards. Effective results beyond 400 yards are considered exceptional. At ranges over 500 yards, a battlefield target is hard for the average rifleman to hit. Therefore, 500 yards is considered the maximum effective range of the M1 rifle, even though the rifle is accurate at much greater ranges. The maximum rate at which any rifleman should fire the M1 rifle is determined by his ability to align the sights and squeeze off accurate shots. To exceed this rate is a waste of ammunition. The front blade sight is protected by wing guards and can be adjusted laterally by an armorer. It is tightened into position on the gas cylinder with a screw and is not field adjustable. The rear sight is of the peep type, also called an aperture. It is attached to the rear sight base and protected by its wing guards. The rear sight is adjustable for elevation with the knob on the left and is marked for 200 to 1200 yards in 100-yard increments. The knob on the right is used for adjusting windage. Each click on these knobs represents an adjustment of approximately 1 minute of angle. The sight radius is 27.9 inches. Located at the front of the trigger guard is the safety. In the rear position, inside the trigger guard, the rifle is locked. To unlock the rifle, push the safety to the forward position outside the trigger guard. The rifle may be loaded and operated by hand when locked, but cannot be fired. On the right side of the rifle is the operating rod handle. Pulling it to the rear will draw the bolt back and allow loading of the rifle. On the left side of the receiver is the clip latch. This is used to remove a loaded clip from the rifle. A compartment for storing cleaning items and tools is located in the buttstock and is accessed through the hinged butt plate cap. The rear 2 swivels, which are closed, are intended for the sling. Either the Gunsling M1907 or the Gunsling M1 is appropriate for this rifle. Installation and use of these slings are covered in separate training films. The forwardmost swivel is a stacking swivel. It is used for stacking 3 rifles in a tripod configuration. The next video in this series will cover field stripping the M1 rifle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.